If you're seeing an x.com or Twitter SSL error on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back on the site without the frustration. This issue usually comes down to a wrong system clock, corrupted SSL data, browser cache problems, or even a bad browser extension. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to check is your computer's date and time, because this is the most common cause of SSL certificate errors. When your system clock is incorrect, your browser may think a certificate has expired or isn't valid yet, even when the website is perfectly fine. To fix this on Windows, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click the clock. From there, click Adjust Date and Time. Now find the option that says Set Time Automatically. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a second, and then turn it back on again. This forces Windows to resync the clock with the correct time. Once that's done, open X or Twitter again and refresh the page to see if the error is gone. If the site still isn't loading properly, the next fix is to clear the SSL state on your computer. This can help when Windows has stored outdated or corrupted security certificate data. To do that, press the Windows key and type Internet Options, then open it. In the window that appears, click the Content tab at the top. On that tab, you'll see a button that says Clear SSL State. Click that button, then click OK to confirm. After that, close and reopen your browser, then try loading X again. In many cases, that alone resolves the problem. If you're still seeing the SSL error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with secure connections to websites like X. To do this in most browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time so you remove everything that could be causing the problem. Then make sure you check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those are selected, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, fully close your browser and reopen it before trying X again. Now, if the issue still continues, the next thing to test is whether the problem is only happening in your regular browser window. Open an Incognito window or a private window and visit X there. In Chrome, for example, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open Incognito mode. If X loads normally in private mode, that usually means a browser extension, corrupted cookie, or browser setting is causing the issue in your main profile. In that case, start disabling your extensions one by one until you find the one that's interfering. You can also try a different browser entirely, like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Chrome, just to confirm whether the issue is browser specific. Another smart step is to restart your computer after making these changes. A quick restart can help apply the new time settings and clear out temporary network or browser conflicts. If you use antivirus software or a VPN, you may also want to temporarily disable them just for testing, because some security tools can interfere with secure connections and trigger SSL warnings. Once you've finished testing, be sure to turn them back on. So to recap, the best fixes for an X or Twitter SSL error are syncing your system clock, clearing the SSL state, removing browser cache and cookies, and testing in Incognito or another browser. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem quickly. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.